There's only two kinds of shadow edges. There's a form shadow edge like this, and there's cast shadow edge like these right here, this one down here. So you just simply identify the different kind of edges. Generally, cast shadow edges are sharper than form shadow edges. Form shadow edges are either sharp or soft, dependent on how fast the form turns away from the light source. Probably the best shape to illustrate that is a cone, because at the base of the cone, the shadow edge is very soft, and as the cone gets smaller and smaller, as the diameter of the cone gets smaller and smaller, the shadow edge gets sharper and sharper.